Guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can change the settings to decide when you want your computer to sleep and when you want your computer to hibernate and when. To do that, click on the battery icon on the right side in the bottom of your computer taskbar, Power Options. Here we are going to click Change Plan Settings, and here you will have the option to change settings for the plan. For me, I have it already balanced. You might be having the same. However, you can always click turn off the display on battery. If you didn't use the computer for 4 minutes, it will turn off. So you can always change it to 3, 4, 25 minutes as you like. And you can also change it even when it's plugged into electricity. Put the computer to sleep. You can also change the timer, and the same applied when it's plugged in. If you cannot find the settings which you are looking for in this option, you can click Change Advanced Power Settings, and here you will be able to have more options to change if you would like to. From battery usage and settings, to display usage and settings, to sleep options, and also desktop background settings. Once you have amended any changes, you will see the apply button available. You can click on it and then click OK and restart your computer so that your changes goes into effect. If you would like just to restore the default settings for this plan, which has been already set by the company or by the manufacturer, you can always click Restore Default Settings for this plan, and this should restore all the settings to default. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always leave us a comment or send us an email, and we will do our best to help you. If you would like, you can always encourage us to produce more video tutorials by clicking like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.